coming for you. I'm coming to make sure everything I heard is true. What's it like to be the one who waited long enough to see the day that I could feel again? I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you and your simple existence. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons. Obviously, this is Simple Existence by State Champs. The song's requested, so if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comment section, all right? So let's get into it. The song is not in standard tuning. A lot of them are, but this one, when I have this brown guitar, you know that means it's a half step down. So when I have this is my Seagull, by the way. This is the first guitar I ever had. So it was a few years old when I got it, and I've had it for almost 17 years now, so crazy. But anyways, this song is a half step down, sorry about that, half step down in tuning, and doesn't have a capo or anything. So you're just going to use a handful of chords for this one. So the chords you're going to use, you're going to do A. All right. You are also going, and by the way, if you don't want to tune your guitar to a half step down, that's fine. You could still play it regular. It'll sound a little bit different, but like most people wouldn't notice if you were playing it somewhere. It might be like, oh, it sounds slightly different, but most people wouldn't even notice that. So so that you don't have to tune it. But one trick is you can tune your guitar half step down and just have it like that all the time, because I have multiple guitars, but if you don't, you just leave it half step down all the time and you put a capo on the first fret and it'll make it normal. All right, it'll make it standard tuning. So you can do that. So let's get into the chords. You're gonna do A, E. All right, you're also gonna do B, but I'm doing the rip off B, the power chord. All right, so I'm just doing it like, I'm just putting my pointer finger on the A string on the 2nd fret, and then my middle finger goes, sorry, my ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string, and my pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the G string, okay? And you don't even have to bar this one. All right, then you're also going to use F sharp, which is, so when you're doing B, you just go up a set of strings. So you just put your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret, and again, I'm not even barring on this one either, but pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the big E string, and then your ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string, okay? All right, now you're gonna use another chord for this song though, okay? So you're also going to use C sharp minor. So the only times you use that is when you're when you're going from B up, okay? So you're just gonna slide from B up 2 frets. Okay, that's it. That's all you gotta do. So you're gonna be on, instead of being on, you're gonna be on the A, D, and G strings. All right, 2nd fret on the 1st for your pointer finger, and then the other 2 are on the 4th. And then you're gonna slide up 2 frets to the 4th and 6th frets. Okay, just like that. And on that, I actually mute, so you can see I'm touching with my pointer finger. I'm just touching the big E string. Okay, so those are the chords you're gonna use. So the way that this song starts is just with 3 of those chords. So it's gonna start with A. So you're just down, down, up, 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 down, up. Then you go to E, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then you go to B, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you're gonna repeat that. Then you're gonna go to A again. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna do that. You're gonna do A, E, B, and you play A like twice as long as you play E and B. All right. So then at the end of that, when you go to B, you're just gonna start. You're gonna go to A and start palm muting. Okay, so you're palm muting. You're gonna put this part of your hand as close as you can right here to this white bridge thing. Okay, right in front of it, and pluck the bass notes. Okay, so you're just doing, and by the bass notes I mean the notes that are the deeper sounding. Okay, so you're gonna play A, and this is some of the easiest palming you'll ever do. It's just fast, but you're just doing down, 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 E, B, A. I'm in a wasteland, but nevertheless I can try. So try is where you do E. Try to see this clearly. Okay, clearly is where you do B. Clearly, okay? So you're gonna do, I'm in a wasteland as A, wasteland, but nevertheless I can try is E, try to see this clearly. Okay, clearly is B, clearly, and I can say that. Okay, say is A, say that the day that we met I just had is E, had to have you near me. Okay, so you do near me. Okay, then from there you're gonna do near me. Okay, me, so near is B, near me. Me is where you're gonna do C sharp minor. So you're gonna slide out those 2 frets. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna just go to A, okay, and you're just gonna do the same strumming pattern as before, all right? So down, down, up. I fell asleep in a city. So you start with A. I fell asleep in a city. Okay, city is E. City that doesn't. And you do B right before thought. Thought I was special, but you know that I wasn't. And then so you do wasn't is C minor, C sharp minor. Wasn't. Then you go to A. It's just hard. So you do A is on it. It's just hard. Hard is E. Hard to believe. The end of believe, like Eve, that's where you're gonna do B. Believe that I won't be. Okay, so then you do down, up, down, up, down, up, and then mute. Down, up, down, up, down, up, mute. Held responsible. And then you're gonna do E, B, A. And you're just doing down, up, okay? E, B, A, and then mute, okay? For the things that you now know, I'm coming for you. So on you is where you do A. And you're going right into the chorus here. I'm coming for you. I'm coming to make. So you're doing the same strumming pattern as the intro, okay? Coming to make is E. Make sure everything. Thing is where you do B. Thing I heard is true. Okay, so true is A. True. Then you go to E. Okay, after you say okay, then you go to E. What's it like to be the one? One is B. One who waited long. Okay, then you go long is A. Long enough to see. C is E. See the day that I is B. I can feel again. So again is where you do F sharp. So that's where you go from B to just F sharp. So just up one set of strings, okay? Again, coming for you. And then U is A. You. Coming for you. So then second U, I'm coming for you, is E. You and your simple. Simple. Okay, the PLE part, that's where you do B. Simple existence. And then you do, let's rearrange this. And you start going to the second verse, just like you did the first one, okay? So then the second chorus, the second pre-chorus is the same, the second chorus is the same. Then you go to the bridge. I'm not gonna show you how to do the picking part because, I mean, I can do that in another video if you want. I just know the person who requested this said he's more of a beginner. So I'm not gonna do that part. I'm just gonna show you can just strum for this part. So you just do single strums and you'll just do E. Okay, you'll wait, and then F sharp, okay, then A, and then E. So that's what I would do, okay? Now I would do that twice, and then you'll start doing the part with the lyrics. Hearing is E, hearing all is F sharp, all the words you kept, okay, so kept is A, kept inside your head. Head is E, head. When the struggle, okay, struggle is F sharp, struggle came to construct, okay, construct is A, construct these lies instead. Lies is E, lies instead. No telling you where, okay, where is F sharp, where this will go, and then, so you go is A, go, and then you do E. But as long as F sharp, long as you know, you're responsible. Okay, and then you go into the pre-chorus part and then right into the chorus. Maybe you can just call it the chorus, whatever you want. Anyway, that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, or other songs you want to learn, or if you just want to know more about me or something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.